everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. At least 22 dead, several missing in flash flood, landslide in Himachal Pradesh. Russian missiles pound Odisha as Ukrainian Independence Day draws closer. Roger Federer shared training footage, hints at return to court. Uttar Pradesh government imposes Section 144 in Kanpur city amid surge in COVID-19 cases. Now news in details. Himachal Pradesh, the northern India state, is predicted to witness moderate to heavy rainfall in the next 5 days, and an orange alert has been issued for the next 24 hours of the whole state. There is a yellow alert for the rest of the days till August 24, said Builal, the IMD deputy director of the state on Saturday. This comes after report of heavy rain triggering flash flood and landslides. At least 31 people were killed, 22 of them in Himachal Pradesh alone. State Disaster Management Department Director Sudesh Kumar Mokhtar said on Saturday that the maximum damage has been reported in Mandi, Kangra and Chamba districts. Amid the spike in the COVID-19 infection in the city, the Uttar Pradesh government on Saturday, August 20, 2022, imposed Section 144 in Kanpur and restricted the gathering of people in the public places. Prohibitory orders under Section 144 have been imposed in Kanpur district of Uttar Pradesh in view of the slight surge in coronavirus infection, various upcoming examinations and festival, an official government spokesman said. According to the details, people violating Section 144 will be punished under Section 188 of the Indian Penal Code. Now some international news. Russian missiles have hit Odessa, the Ukrainian port, overnight. Artillery shells have also rained down on a city close to Europe's biggest nuclear plant. The attack have been come as the Ukrainian head towards celebrating its Independence Day on August 24. It will be Ukrainians' 31st Independence Day. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has already said that the Moscow could try something particularly ugly close to its Independence Day. Authorities in Russia said on Sunday that the investigation was on in a suspected car bomb attack outside Moscow, which killed the daughter of Alexander Dugin, an ultra-nationalist Russian ideologue who advocated Russia absorbing Ukraine. For the first time since 1989, workers at the largest container port in the UK have gone on strike, prompting warnings. Shipping firms and the union leader that the action would affect supply chains and make consumers wait longer for their purchases. Approximately 1,900 unit members in Flexesto have left their job in a salary dispute, marking the most recent round of industrial action to affect a variety of economic sectors. The 8-day strike, according to the union, will have a significant effect on the port, which receives about 4 million containers annually from 2,000 ships. 2 devotees were killed in a stampede during Mangala Aarti at Thakur Banki Bihari Temple on the occasion of Sri Krishna Janmashtami in Vrindavan, Mathura. When the incident took place in Thakur Banki Bihari Temple premises, at that time 3 senior officers of the district, DM, SSP and municipal commissioner were present on the upper floor of the temple. While the service of the temple is constantly raising questions regarding the incident, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has constituted a committee to investigate the entire episode. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. An earthquake measuring 4.1 on the Richter scale hit the northwest of Bikaner in Rajasthan in the early hours of Monday. The National Center of Seismology (NCS) said the earthquake occurred at 2:01 a.m. on Monday. The depth of the earthquake was 10 km below the ground. Earthquake of magnitude 4.1 occurred on 22/8/2022, latitude 29.38 and longitude 71.45, depth 10 km, location 236 km northwest of Bikaner, Rajasthan. There were no reports of any casualty or damage to property because of the earthquake. Early on Saturday, an earthquake of magnitude 5.2 on the Richter scale hit the northeast of Lucknow. Once again, the period of heavy rains has started in Rajasthan. A red alert has been issued for heavy rain in the many areas of the state on Monday, after which the administration has also come into alert mode. According to the Meteorological Center Jaipur, there is a possibility of rain at most places in the division of Ajmer, Bharatpur, Jaipur, Kota and Udaipur in eastern Rajasthan, beside Bikaner and Jodhpur in western Rajasthan on Monday, which is likely to be light to moderate, heavy to very heavy and very heavy in many districts. This year has not been lucky for Akshay Kumar when it's come to the movie, especially the box office collection. One after another, Kumar, every film tanked at the box office, whether it was his Bachchan Pandey, one of the anticipated movie, or high budget drama Prithvi Raj, or his most recent Raksha Bandhan. The movie released on the big weekend of the Indian festival of the same name, but still the movie failed to break in big number. Now some sports news. Indian Shelter will be looking to continue their fine form in the upcoming BWF World Championship after their brilliant show at the recently concluded Commonwealth Games 2022. Indian badminton player clinched a total of 6 medals, including 3 gold medals at the Games in Birmingham, and will be hopeful of extending their stellar run at the World Championship in Tokyo. Legendary tennis icon Roger Federer recently sent the rumor mill into a frenzy after sharing footage of himself returning shots on the court, presumably during a training session. Federer, much to be delight of tennis fans across the world, is seemingly all set to make his way back to active contention. Federer has long been shackled sidelines owing to a series of knee surgery, which have kept him away from the sport for over a year since he tumbled out of the Wimbledon last year. However, fans were vying for a swan song from the 20th time Grand Slam winner, which seemed to be a dream that could become reality sometime soon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.